Ladies and gents, this is what the goal is all about at Bitcoin Wealth, to earn 61 Bitcoin. There's the number in red for you. So all you need to do is come, grab my number in my bio, or leave your name and number in the comment section. Tell me that you are interested, and then we take it from there. We want to build the biggest Bitcoin wealth community in South Africa. We want to show the Europeans, the Asians, that we can also do that. Those guys has been flying. We want to fly. And Bitcoin wealth has started to take off. Things are happening. People is earning substantial amounts of money. And they're not even 1 month in the business. Okay? It is ridiculous how incredible this business is. DM me now. Take my number. And let us really take action. It's all about taking action. Let's wipe our tears with Bitcoin. We've all lost money. Here you build 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 5 by 5, meaning you bring two, your team bring your two bring two, each of your people bring into 2 by 2. If you want to build 3 by 3, build 3 by 3. If you want to build 5 by 5, build 5 by 5. If you have the right mindset people, you can even build 10 by 10. You bring 10, your 10 bring their own 10, and then by November you all will be smiling. These are the different slots that you can be earning. Everybody starts at slot 1. You cannot start bigger, but you can earn a lot more than what you started with. You start with only 0.01 Bitcoin. That is roughly 1,250, 1,300 rand. Because we're working on the Binance chain or the Binance network, you need some gas fees. All right. So rather put in 1,003 and then you have something extra. But this is, look at the numbers. Look at you. For those who love Bitcoin, they will understand what this means. The number in green per cycle, zero earning 0.07, 0.014, 0.02. I'm already on slot 2. I'm gunning for slot 3, then I will be earning. Slot 3. I'm going for 6,000 rand per signing. You understand? We are building one of the biggest communities in Bitcoin wealth here. Come and be part of mine. Let me guide you. Let me teach you. Let me help you. Because we're building 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So that we can, oh, ladies and gents, this thing is mind blowing. It's blowing up like crazy. Like I said, I'm on slot 2 already. And I'm only a week in this business. People want this business. Come and join my team. I'm waiting for you. We can be sitting on our 0.5 BTC. That's half a Bitcoin. That's R1 million. And all you need to do is invite your members, family. You can open up multiple accounts for yourself. You can do whatever you like. Just grow your team. Build, build. It's like a Bitcoin stock fell. And yes, we can do it together. There is it. My name is Reggie. My number is in my bio. If you want to reach out, you can leave your name, and if you don't want to reach out, DM me, leave your name and number in the comment section. And then we can take it from there. We want to move. We want to help you. We want to build the best community ever. Oh, this is crazy, ladies and gents. reach out and let's make this mullah. Imagine you can have the best December ever. If you take this thing serious, if you work it, if you're going to push as hard as you can, you are going to make it. But you have to take care of your team as well. That's what I'm doing. I'm helping my team also, giving away members. Let my team also earn. And when I give people away, that person I will sign you under will also take care of you. I can also take care of you. That's the culture that I'm trying to build with this business, that we must take care of each other and not be greedy because there's enough for everybody. So I'll be waiting for you in my comment section. I will be waiting for you in my inbox on WhatsApp. I will be waiting for you in my DMs. Let's rock and roll.